Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to see blocked messages on Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Messages app. This app is usually on your home screen or in your app drawer, where all your apps are stored. Step 2. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small icon with either your profile picture or an outline of a person. Go ahead and tap on that icon to open the main menu. Step 3. Once the drop-down menu appears, scroll until you find one labeled Spam and Blocked. Tap on this option to enter the Spam and Blocked section. Step 4. Now you'll see all the messages that have been marked as blocked on your device. This is where Android stores any messages from contacts or numbers you've blocked. Step 5. If you want to unblock any of these messages, just select the messages you'd like to restore. Step 6. Finally, tap on the Unblock option that appears on the screen. This will instantly unblock the messages and move them back to your regular inbox. And that's it. You've successfully seen blocked messages on Android. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.